Welcome. Thank you for watching this video presented by CostStoreFixtures. Questions should be emailed to CostStoreFixtures@outlook.com. This application uses the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet program. Microsoft and Excel are trademarks and property of Microsoft Corporation. A Microsoft Corporation license is required to use the Excel program. The instruction example covers foundation principles and demonstrates the process by calculating the cost of a pedestal fixture step by step. Each instruction example consists of a macro button and a cell comment. To read the text of the macro before clicking the button, hover over the cell to the right of the button and the text of the macro is displayed. Complete the instruction example to develop an understanding and proficiency at preparing a cost workup. The instructions example is on the instruction sheet. The instruction sheet is the window currently displayed. The example starts at row 157. To get to the example, click the fourth button labeled B.000 Example Cost Workup Pedestal. The focus of step 2 of the 3 steps is on the principles of this process and how to enter the material prices on 3 cost workup sheets. Example item 2.4.04 Input Shelf Base Substrate Sheet Price. Substrate refers to material used as a basic part of a component. Use the glossary topic 36 on the table's definitions and abbreviation sheet to find the definition. On Format 4 Cost Workup Sheets, which is for shelves, there are 16 structured rows beginning at row 129 and ending with row 144. Dedicated to substrate materials. Melamine is the material that forms the shelf. The fixture has 4 shelves. Row 129 is the substrate top sheet. Enter $38 per sheet for 3/4 inch thick melamine in cell T129. When the price is entered in cell T129, the total material cost, $7.63 for that piece of material, is calculated in cell X129. If a mistake is made or an entry is missed, they can be corrected at any point after a macro is complete. After entering the price, return to the instruction sheet by selecting the tab to the left along the bottom of the window. This example 2.4.04 is completed. Continue the instructions example by clicking item 2.4.05.